Excellency, I have the honor to present His Excellency, Mr. Reza Nazar Ahari, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Islamic Republic of Iran to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credentials which the President of the Islamic Republic of Iran has addressed to Your Excellency, appointing me as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary to the Republic of Fiji as accredited. Also, I have the honor to present the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I am pleased to receive your credentials, and I welcome you mostly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a happy and successful mission. Please convey to the President, the government and the people of the Islamic Republic of Iran our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity.